The intrusive thoughts that I had really struggled with my whole life were just gone.
This is actually working for me, and I didn't even know that that was a possibility. I just assumed that my life would be a series of different medications forever.
The program is more than just ketogenic therapy. At the end of the day, it's about creating a sense of agency.
It's cool to have a tool that I really believe in.
These interventions they're not just powerful, they're empowering.
It's a movement that's happening right now.
Everyone is going to want to know, what the heck did you do?
There's so many wonderful things to kind of explore.
I was feeling the benefits from it pretty much right away.
I think I might have a fully functioning person now.
To know that you have that support and connection makes these tasks feel so much more possible.
The quality of life is incomparable to what you're giving up.
It was an awakening.
I suppose THINK+SMART in many ways is like creating a more natural setting for people.
It felt like things were just kind of starting to click.
The main reason to do it is because it works.
Now I participate in life. I don't just let life pass me by.
Thank you for sharing this. This is this is really important.
If you aren't in remission from your illness, then what do you have to lose?
Together, I truly believe we can fuel a mental health revolution.